Hey guys, it's Sejal. Weekly vlog after so long. So basically, I felt like the last few months I haven't been sharing a lot about what's happening in life or where I am mentally and what's been going on in life a lot. So I'm gonna do more of these vlogs, one every month. And there's so many changes that I want to talk about, so many things that are happening in life. Let's do this. Today is the 4th of September, it's a Tuesday. The last month completely flew by. I was traveling in the US for 2 months, not 2 months, for 20 days. I went for a project with this company called Go USA to film travel videos. So currently I'm working on getting those edits finished. We have so much footage and I'm dying. Literally, I'm scared of the amount of footage there is for me to edit. Today is super exciting though. I'm doing an interview for television. It's for NewsX and the crew is gonna come over to my house. We're gonna film some sort of a short interview over here. I'm all dressed up for that. Done my makeup. Camera mein dekhna na. That means a lot. And I started my journey into creating, getting much better at it. I've developed some thick skin, dealing with and being a little more open about what I'm going through in life. So
how does one then stay relevant and not get absorbed into that space, which can just drive you crazy? Favorite place to shop?
Sarojini Nagar. So it's all about just being secure and being smart. Alright, so the interview just got done. It was good. I think I did okay. I'm not sure. I think one question I didn't answer properly. It wasn't the best answer. So I hope, I don't know. वैसे ठीक था. Let's see how it looks on TV. These past few months, I feel like I've been a little distant. I've been trying really hard to make better videos and just trying to feel good mentally. I know lots of you guys have questions about my relationship with Mohak, just what I'm doing with my videos. And I swear, with regard to the first thing, I will answer when I'm ready to answer. Don't worry, I'm definitely going to talk about it later, not right now. And with regard to YouTube, let's be honest, I've been struggling the last few months. I've been feeling like I've gotten in the middle. I got really competitive, then got a little insecure with what my ideas are like. Felt like I wasn't good enough and I suck and my ideas are bad. And remember that 2-week break I took? I never talk about all this stuff because I only want to talk about positive things on my channel. But that break I took was so that I could fix myself and just feel good about myself again. I went through all my older videos and saw that the little bubbly mini version of me, super excited, and I wanted to go back to that. I read a lot, which really helped me out. And I met with all my old friends who I hadn't met in the longest time. And honestly, after those 2 weeks, I did feel much better. And in the past couple of months, I've just been concentrating on feeling happy and feeling better and just enjoying life. And I realized like what I do, YouTube videos, is my passion. And the reason I chose to do YouTube was so that I could be happy. I don't want to stress myself out with something that I'm passionate about, and it's not a passion anymore. And I've just been trying to work on that.
थोड़ा सा स्लो मोड टाइप का जो मेरी साड़ी मत खराब करना.
We're shooting a video about Teachers Day and we're in a school. This is Scottish High International. There's Yadu, there's Agni, there's Koshi. Yo, what's up? And you have to see what I'm wearing. I'm ready to do Yogi dance.
God.
My brother's shirt was 44. God, this is the only shirt I could find. मेरी स्कूल की यूनिफॉर्म और भी 44 है, तो पीछे से मुझे क्लिप लगानी पड़ेगी और नीचे की पैंट्स नहीं मिल जाएगी, तो we're only gonna take shots till here. When we were taking the shot, I was sitting with the physics book, she was sitting with the maths book. Writing chemistry on the board. Such diversity in our class. तुम्हें formulas नहीं आते?
O5 S1.
Yo, Yadu, very smart. CBSE topper. Hey, it's Friday today and man, yesterday I sat on this chair for 14 hours straight editing the USA vlogs. I'm so tired. My laptop has become old now, it keeps crashing. Kal to 20 बार क्रैश हुआ है. So happy with how it's turned out. So watch out for that. Travel videos. This time my partner in crime is my cousin sister Shreya and we are in Chicago. So I have decided to get this tattoo. I've drawn it with a pen right now, don't worry. When I hit 1 million subscribers. Now I've been wanting a tattoo on my wrist for about 3 years now and I was just too scared to do it and there was no real occasion. The 2 times that I went to the US I thought हाँ इस पे करा लेती हूँ but नहीं कराया. And now I've decided that once I hit 1 million it will be a good enough occasion. I want to celebrate, I want to do something fun. And this tattoo it's actually a glyph. Glyphs are symbols that have meanings. This one in particular means create. I love how it looks and I think it's quite relevant to what I do and also it'll be cool to get it when I hit 1 million. I'm super excited about it. So मैं हर रोज like a dog with a pen I keep drawing it to make myself get used to it and not chicken out. Oh, so this by the way is the study area in my house. So table, usually just sit here and edit. This is my Cosmopolitan Best Vlog Award. This does not work, but I'm so proud of this. Thank you everyone who voted. And these are my old embarrassing photos. This is me when I was in 9th. This is me with specs and braces when I was in 7th or something. Oh my god, and this. This is precious. I actually like this picture, it's not bad. And I'm leaving for Ladakh tomorrow. That is crazy. So currently I'm packing. My room's a mess. So I'm actually going to see the Buddhist festival called Naropa in Ladakh. I got this invite like a month back. And that was the time I'd taken a break from YouTube and I was thinking that I need to get back on track of life and do things spontaneously and jo opportunity I should take it. And I said हाँ very enthusiastically. Tushar who shoots some of my videos उसे भी मैं ले जा रही हूँ. But yesterday I was like shit, why am I going? Oh no, like 4 days I have so much work to finish. I still have to work on the US vlogs. Today the entire day I did not do much. I was just lazing around and it's 6 PM and I just realized, oh shit, I have too much to do. Does this happen to you as well? I'm screwed. I'm basically fucked. So time to pack. All done, finally. Oh, so another kinda life update. For a long time I've been struggling with how I can make my life easier. I'm getting busier day by day. Editing is just getting really difficult. I want to build a team. I want to do bigger things. Like there's so many things I want to do, but I feel like it's too much for one person to do. So I've been thinking for a very long time that team बनानी है, कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. And I don't have like a mentor or anything to tell me how exactly I'm supposed to run a channel and stuff like that. So I'm just figuring out things as I go along. So I've taken a decision to build a team and build a small office in this room. This is my brother's room, which I'm hardcoring to build a small office. So I'll show you what I've been up to trying to set it up. We got 2 tables and these are all the things that I have, like things I've gotten from subscribers. This is the play button, lots of gifts from you guys from Meetup. So I'm gonna put it all over here and give this room a makeover. And it's really cool because this will be my like workspace and this is my bathroom, which can be like my dressing room. And right next door is my actual room, which can be like my studio. So I feel sorted now. Thoda dhire kaam ho raha hai. That's what's happening. I'm leaving for Ladakh tomorrow morning. Wish me luck for that trip. Of course I'm gonna vlog. That's gonna be up soon. US vlogs, I'm almost done editing them. And because I'm doing it with a brand, approvals take a long time. So yeah, just trying to get that through. But they are freaking epic. Like let me tell you that. So you guys don't want to miss out. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this slightly more casual, chatty vlog. And yeah, see you soon. Bye.